telling you, he's here. You need to do something about it. Raise the security level.
Nice to see you again.
Look, Fisher, I can explain.
Nobody's coming to save you this time, Henry. Now tell me, what the hell is Reed up to?
Reed's working with Megiddo. He's using Third Echelon to get EMPs into the country. And sited in D.C., I help set it up. It's what I do.
Why? What does Reed get out of this?
The president. They're gonna take out the president after the EMPs go off. Paralyze the city. Use it as cover for the hit. Tonight.